In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Stripe account in just 5 minutes. Whether you're launching a new business or simply looking to streamline your payment processes, creating a Stripe account is a fantastic way to get started with accepting payments online. Let's dive in. First, let's navigate to the Stripe website. Open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar, type www.stripe.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it. If you don't already have a Stripe account, that's not a problem. You'll see an option to create a new account. Go ahead and click on Create Account. You'll be prompted to enter your email, full name, and country of operation. Be sure to use a valid email address because Stripe will send you a confirmation email shortly. As you enter your details, take your time to ensure everything is correct. Next, it's time to create a strong password. Your password is the first line of defense in securing your Stripe account, so choose something that's both robust and memorable. Consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After setting your password, click on the Create Account button. Stripe will then send a verification email to the address you provided earlier. Head over to your email account, open the message from Stripe, and follow the instructions to verify your email address. This step is crucial to secure your account and access Stripe's dashboard features. Having verified your email, you are now ready to provide some additional information about your business. Stripe will ask for several details, such as your business name, type of business, and even information related to your tax identification. Input all the required details carefully and accurately to ensure compliance with Stripe's protocols. Next, you'll need to connect a bank account for payouts. Navigate to the Settings section of your Stripe dashboard. There, you can input your bank account information, which allows Stripe to deposit the funds you receive from transactions directly into your bank account. Double-check these details to avoid any payout issues. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to review all the information you've provided. Check public business information, payout details, and any other significant data to ensure accuracy. This step is key to preventing any future inconveniences. Stripe may also need additional identity verification documents, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. You can upload these documents directly from the dashboard, simplifying the process. Once all the required steps are completed, your account will be fully set up, and you can begin accepting live payments almost immediately. Congratulations on setting up your Stripe account. You're now ready to streamline your payment process and take your business to the next level. If you have any questions or need further help, check out Stripe's extensive help section, or feel free to reach out to their customer support for assistance. That's it. You're all set. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using Stripe for your payment needs.